Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Breezy Kicks, the sneaker fiend. Now today we're going over the Nike SB Dunk Low in the Safari colorway. Now I was able to get this shoe early so I can show you guys, that way you can decide if you want to go for this sneaker. Now before we get into the shoe, make sure if you are new to the channel you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23, as well as The Soul Luxury. That is my clothing brand right here. If you guys want to check it out, just go to The Soul Luxury on Instagram. The second wave of clothing is coming soon, so stay tuned for that. But with that being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. Let's get it. Nike Skateboarding is set to release an upcoming Safari colorway of their beloved Nike SB Dunk Low that borrows in its design element from 2003 ATMOS Air Max 1s. This offering of the skate shoe features materials true to the original with canvas toe box, alternate colored swoosh logos, and suede side panels. Black appears on the tongue, mini swooshes, and laced highlights with safari print overlays atop a gum rubber outsole. Look for the Nike SB Dunk Low Safari to release on March 14th at select retailers and StockX. The retail price tag is set at $100 US. So these shoes did drop in Australia at select skate shops. They will be hitting the US here on March 14th, and like I said, we'll be releasing at select Nike retailers. Now before I get into the shoe, I just want to go over this Discord group. You guys can check them out. It's a good cook group. It's called The Lace Network. I will leave their information down below. They do charge a monthly fee depending on what membership you get. There is a standard as well as a VIP. You guys can check them out, see if you do want to join. If you do, use my code BK10. It will save you 10% off. So if you want to check that out, you want to join, I definitely think it's a good idea if you're looking to invest in sneakers, just want to become a reseller of any sort. This cook group is one of the best, if not the best, on the market today. But with that being said, let's get into the shoes. Starting off with the box, you got the Nike SB box in the Tiffany blue. Nothing really special. Now I know you guys are here for the shoes, so let's get right into it. The Nike SB Dunk Low in the Safari colorway. I just gotta say, at first glance, this shoe is straight fire. Now the quality is absolutely A1, which is expected when you are messing with SB Dunks. You have orange canvas up in the toe box. And you have the orange suede, elephant print leather on the overlays. On the outside part of the shoe, you got an orange Nike swoosh, whereas the inside, you got a green Nike swoosh. In the heel, you got more of that canvas, some nubuck up here in brown, and a green embroidered Nike swoosh logo. You have a black tongue. You got the green tag right here with Nike SB in orange. So this shoe does come with black laces, but will also come with an extra set of tan laces, as you guys can see right here. So very dope. I wish it would have came with some green laces. So I definitely will be showing you guys the two different looks with the laces. You got the green tag in the back of the tongue. You have an orange lining, orange insole with Nike SB and Nike Zoom in green. One other cool little feature is the mini swoosh up by the toe section, embroidered in black. Then you got your midsole in that tan color with this orange outsole. In the middle of the outsole, you do have Nike SB in green. Now we'll be talking about my resale predictions, but before we do that, let's look at this shoe on feet.
I just spent a bread up on myself. Bitch, I've been 100 with a self. Long awaited, now I'm coming out of stealth. I just spent a bread up on myself. Bitch, I've been 100 with a self. Long awaited, now I'm coming out of stealth. New shoes, breaking off with some more shoes, swapping it like the cars new. Got them losing in their feelings, talking to themselves. No one's really on your Bluetooth. You don't see it like a lose tooth. Watch you crash and burn like.
Would never miss us for a bitch or a diamond. Would never leave you, baby, close if trying. Would never take another cause you wanna touch. Laugh with a kiss and not do it till she blush. Pulling out with a 6 so we passing out. All my boys smoke, yeah, we taking drugs. Hey, hella lit bitch, swear we high as fuck. I cannot tie that bitch cause she wanna fuck. Swear I didn't flirt, it was on a run. Do the on a roll, cause I'm on a roll. Get
talking my shit, ayy. I got a bitch in the rear, ayy. Niggas be talking that shit, ayy. But don't know what price this is, ayy. I might just hop in the rear, ayy. And tell that bitch hop on my dick, ayy. The diamonds be turning the wrist, ayy. I feel like talking my shit. I never do fuck with the ops. Is that why these people be hot? I pull up and fuck on your thigh. That bitch is just giving me top. My nigga, I did it for peace sake. These bitches be calling me cheesecake. I pull up and fucking in PJs. I hope that she give me the BJ.
Only like me cause they heard my new shit and they realize that bitch I'm the go. Hey, cardiac king with the ring with the bling. I just realized I give him a stroke. Hey, I'm never.
Damn, she broke my heart. I don't got no life. I tore my brain apart. Throwing money at her, yeah, she shake it in the dark. Said she wanna have a baby, but I cannot play a part. Yeah, I'm up in space. Psychedelics crazy, yeah, they made me this way. LSD on my mind, it don't have any taste. The flavor of the trip, put some sour in my face. Getting to the money, yeah, it's just a crazy chase. Running from these bitches, cause I know love fade away. Yeah, I know it fade away. You and I won't last. Fuck all of your love, I put it into the past. And
bam. There you guys have it, the Nike SB Dunk Low in the Safari colorway. Let me know which color laces you guys like better. You know, I want to see some laces like this midsole, that light tan color. I think that would really make the shoe pop. Or some green laces, I think would also look good on this sneaker. I just quickly want to go over resell. On StockX, the shoe is going for about $350 to $500 depending on the size. I do think that price is gonna drop. Like I said, retail is $100. I see this shoe after release day going for about $300, give or take 50 depending on the size you get. With dunks, you are gonna wanna go with the lower sizes. You know, your size 8 to size 9 are gonna be the best for resale. So if you wanna go strictly for resale, go for your sizes 8 to 9. I think that is where you're gonna make the most money. Again, if you do wanna check out that cook group, the Lace Network, link is in the description. Check them out. Use that code BK10 for 10% off. But yeah, let me know what you think about the shoe. Are you gonna go for this sneaker on release day? Are you gonna go for a personal? Are you gonna go to resell? Or are you just gonna pass up on this release altogether? Let me know all the good stuff down below. Again, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23, as well as The Soul Luxury. Again, that's my clothing brand right here. Go give that a follow. With that being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.
the past, and fuck all of these hoes. Money don't make you have class. Fuck all of the drama. Can I see you shake that ass, baby?